Let's make smooth camera movement in Unreal Engine 5. To do this, go to the content drawer or press Ctrl space on your keyboard. Go to Content, Third Person, Blueprints. Open this third person blueprint. Double click it. Make sure that the camera boom is selected. On the right side under the Properties tab, scroll down until you see the lag section. Enable camera lag and change the camera lag speed to be something like 1. This is extreme value, but it perfectly shows what this property does. Save with Ctrl+Shift+S and hit compile up here. If I click play from here, you can see that camera is smooth. Play with the camera lag speed to make it perfect. By the way, if you like this forest that I'm using right now, you can easily create it by using the Procedural content generation plugin. Check the video link in the description or in the card to learn how. Thanks for watching, and drop some comments below or subscribe to get notified about a new tutorial every week, and be sure to take it slow, don't worry, and keep learning because Unreal Engine is awesome. See you in some other video. Bye bye.